Look good.
Thanks. Nice try. Hi everybody. Erica's being sneaky. Anyway, okay, so I hope everybody's having a good week. It's Friday's video. And last week I was in Fallon, Nevada visiting my sister. And we have one of our sign carving friends over there. Her name is Sandy Richard and her husband Mike. And so I met with them. Gosh, I can't remember what day it was. I think it was Thursday. But anyway, I met with them and I did some video all by myself. So
Yes, you did.
I did. Anyway, so my sister, you'll see her in this video. We're going to show the video of Sandy along with some of her signs in her shop. And she's doing some beautiful signs. She's doing really, really good. And the giggly, chatty little gal in the back with the dark hair, that's my sister, Julia. Anyway, so you're going to see this video of Sandy and Mike and get a little bit of a idea of who they are, doing some great stuff. So enjoy. So introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Mike Richard.
And I'm Sandy.
And who's the major carver here? Who does most of the carving?
Sandy does all the carving.
Sandy, now what do you do, Mike?
I suggest if I'm asked.
You suggest if you're asked.
That's
I
right.
love that.
And I'm a cheerleader.
You're a cheerleader.
Yeah, you're the support.
Okay, so let's see. Well, this one, I think these are so cool. Look at that. And do you have a layout, a cutout pattern for that, or do you just?
On this one, no, I just
That is so
I
cute.
just laid it out and then I used your letters.
So you want to show me some of your other stuff over there, or over here?
Oh, sure.
So how did you get started? How did you find us, Sandy?
I've always done a little bit of woodworking, different types of things. What birdhouses, little knick-knack type things.
Furniture. She made that dining room table over there.
Oh, we're gonna have to go check that out.
And so then, after I retired, I just went on YouTube and found your site, and that kind of inspired me to add to what I was already doing.
Look at those. Be the person that your dog thinks you are, Julian.
Yep.
Her dog thinks she's
Oh,
And we got a little bit of television history here.
we don't.
oh, yeah.
We don't run pigs.
How cute is that? This one, I love this one. Hold that one up a little bit.
So you get
And
that,
turn it kind of backwards a little bit, or yeah, so I can see. Look at that. That is so cool.
that outer.
Yeah,
edge.
very creative, very cool. Let's see some of your others.
As everyone knows, animal ones are always very popular.
Big sellers, yeah. That's cute.
I don't have any more cat ones because I sell.
And you're selling at like, where? I guess I should just ask you. Like the one where you met my
Craft
sister?
fairs,
Craft fairs?
Local craft fairs.
Ducks, dogs, and decoys. That's cute. Very cool.
And I usually accompany her to the fairs.
Uh-huh.
And most of the people are surprised that I'm the one that doesn't do them.
That it's Sandy that does them?
Sandy does them.
Yeah, very cute.
This is a popular sign around here.
Hunting, fishing, loving every minute. Oh, every day. Oh, hey, I recognize that thing.
Yes, you do.
She's the one that sent me the artwork for that. It's on the website. We sell a lot of those. That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I want to get a picture of that table.
It's full of stuff.
So, and you guys are fisher persons. We just
do.
got back
Yeah.
from Blythe.
We did. Are you recording?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's all right.
Cut.
I want to cut. I want to see your table.
Oh,
okay, we'll
okay.
stop. What's your
Oh.
book here?
so we took your advice and we've been taking pictures of.
Can you hold some of those up?
as we make the signs?
Oh, uh-huh. Then you've got something for people to look at when they...
Exactly. Yeah. So.
So when you
Kinda
set
give
up
you an
at the, what do they call
Craft
them?
fairs.
Craft fairs and
fairs.
stuff, do you set up and carve at the craft fair, or do you have signs already made and you sell them there?
Right. We just take signs that we've already made, and then we also take this little book and we take orders, And then, another idea from you folks is that, then we have, well, like what the borders look like, or what the fonts look like, or, and so that they can kind of go through
And
and
the
look
different
at.
templates that you have,
Right,
Whoa,
yeah.
those look familiar.
Yeah, you should, huh?
Is
Yeah,
that how
so,
I recognized her?
And that's just a way that they can kind of pick out
Sure.
what they want.
Becky, you do most of your stuff as custom orders, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
And do you have like an order card that you use, or do you just?
I do. I kind of just made one
You're
up.
very organized.
You used to be a teacher.
Yeah, I just do
Oh, okay,
an order
there you
form that
go.
I made, and then they just kind of fill it out as they go along, and then I can ask questions of,
Now, just out of curiosity, when they fill out that order card, do they fill it out, or like the name and address and everything, or whatever you want? They want
actually,
on the
it's
sign.
been a little bit of both, but I check and double check to make sure the spelling and
Yeah, that-
anything they want.
Nothing
and-
worse than getting a custom sign done, and they're like, "Oh, there's no E in there." Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So then, and then I have another one that has like what type of corners or edging do they want, and the colors that they want, and the size of the letters that they want.
Mike's trying to hide. I'm trying to get around here so I see him.
So, and then we did this, you want to tell them about how we display the signs?
Oh, yeah, well, you got pictures of that too.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Good ones.
Well, there are pictures of
Looks very nice.
it. Right there is a picture of
Oh,
of
yeah.
her display at the craft fair. We have 2 pegboards that we just stick them on there, and it
And-
holds about, I guess, what, depends what size they are, 20 to 30 signs.
Wow. That
But like we
looks
said,
nice.
most of her sales or whatever, most of the interest come, first of all, when they find out that a woman's done it. And second is the custom,
Yeah.
because people like custom signs. They like to see
They like to see
their
their
names on
names.
them.
Yeah.
Right.
And,
Most of them are all custom signs.
yeah, most of
And I'm started to getting a few more commercial signs.
That's good. So I know you sent us pictures, and it's been on the sign carvers of the day. You did a big one, 2-sided, didn't you?
Yeah, that's.
Yes.
Yeah, you did a big 2-sided sign. Now, how do you guys feel like you're making, pretty good money when you do that kind of stuff? I mean, how do you?
It's a labor
No.
of love.
Yeah, it's a labor of love.
Yeah.
I,
Is this it?
no,
Oh.
Here,
especially like signs that I have to laminate and those type of things. I never
Oh, yeah,
do,
there it is.
I underestimate. And so when I finish with the sign, I'm thinking, boy, I should have charged a lot more.
Eric does that all the time.
So, but
So now I know Eric teaches, and again, I'm not an expert on this, I just don't. About charging so much per square foot on a board, no matter what's on it, I mean, if you get one little letter or 14, so do you go by square footage, or do you just?
pretty much basically, I kind
Right.
of have a rough idea, and then we just both kind of look at it and say, well, what do you think? And this is a small community, so I think we probably sell our signs less than I think some places.
Sure, you got to kind of go
Could.
by, like you said, your community and what will sell.
And then usually if I go to one fair, and we only do like twice a year, and
That's because you're
so-
too busy fishing all the time.
probably. And if it doesn't sell in 1 or 2 shows, then I just lower the price.
Yeah. Well, that's
And
good.
then I have a habit of giving a lot of signs away.
Yeah.
A friend will
You
say,
sound like
it,
me.
and it's
I like
well,
that.
just
Oh, well,
take it.
here, you take it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Well, I know we talked here about fishing a little bit, but I want to go in the bedroom. I'll turn the camera off so we don't walk through your house, or in the office over there. And I want everybody to see, would you say it was a northern
Pike.
pike?
Actually, here's some fishing pictures that,
Hold it up a little bit, we got a bright glare.
Oh.
There we go.
I don't know if you can see
Yep,
those.
I can. Those are great.
And most
Girls
of
that
these
fish
signs,
are keepers.
and I've given most of these signs away.
Now, this one, is it stained? Do you have a stain on that?
It's just, no, it's just the color of the wood and the finish
Wow, I
that
like
came
that.
out of. But the only thing is, when I gave this sign away, she actually gave it back to me because when they hung it up, they couldn't read the colors of the sign.
Oh. Bait your own hook, clean your own fish, tell your own stories. Oh, that's great. All right, now we're gonna get a picture. I know I sent Eric a picture of your fish, but now we're gonna get it on film. So we'll go in there and you can tell me more about it.
Remember the,
Uh-huh.
for sale,
Goats, donkeys, neither but nor so.
and we don't rent pigs.
So what, do you just de-stress those boards?
Actually, no, it was some old lumber we had out in the
Really?
back. So,
That looks great.
it's just some old barn lumber we
Uh-huh.
have.
That looks great.
And then that was another sign that went on.
Ooh, around
Um,
for rent horses and rigs.
yeah.
I love your stove.
Oh, thank
Gas?
Very nice.
you. Yeah.
All right, so here's Sandy and Mike's shop. Look, Eric, she made a Lazy Susan spray bench. You would be proud of her. They're over here being really quiet. There's Julia. Hi, Yaya. You're not gonna get away. Look, she's trying to hide. I'm not gonna let her. She's camera shy. Mike's hiding behind the. There we go. This is great. See some signs up here.
I recognize that welcome sign, that style.
Oh yeah. Dinner choices. What does that say? I can't see through here.
Dinner. It's supposed to read dinner choices.
That was one of those.
Yes,
One
it
of
was.
those. We're supposed to read dinner choices,
Take it, leave it. Oh, there you go.
but
That's cute.
but somebody doesn't know how to spell.
What do we got? We got another little one over here. Is this the one you said the
This
gal
is-
gave back because she wanted it?
Because she couldn't read the pink
Mm-hmm.
and the silver, so
That's cute. That is really a nice sign.
so I'll just redo it and then change the color of it.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. Let's see. Very nice. Look at that. That's so cool. Eric, you need one of those. Okay. Oh, then you've got some boards. Is that where you store in all your boards? This is the layout table. Sandy's got all her. Oh, I like the way you did the letters there too. I know. Very cool. All your paints and stains and finishes and everything there. Boards down there. Do you have problems with your boards, the moisture in your boards at all? Being out, oops, up here.
No,
and
because I store them here.
So this is Sandy's backyard, and here she has, look at little bunnies. So this is the sign she made out for that. It says quail management, no hunting allowed. I guess there was a bunch of quail out here when we came out here, but I think I scared them off. Sandy made that wheelbarrow right there, the little barrel. And then I want to show you some more signs. Isn't this a great place? Look at her view. My gosh.
Is this the farmhouse where
Okay.
our life
My
started?
sister's back there yakking, talking to Mike.
No, no,
Look
no,
at
this
these.
Or
way.
is that up there?
No, no, you're over. You gotta go down about.
Aren't those
A little
cute?
bit. Okay, from Shackler to Caroline.
So now we're gonna go in and I'm gonna show you some more stuff that Mike and Sandy have. Here's the fish, and Mike's gonna tell you about this fish. Go ahead.
This is a northern pike that Sandy caught 2 years ago now, even though 2016, I think, at Fresno Reservoir in Montana.
Now, how big? I mean, you know,
That is-
obviously it's
that
big.
fish is 48 inches long and weighed 28 pounds.
I'm doing this just so that Eric's jealous.
Oh, is it? Yeah, that's a nice fish. That is.
And Sandy caught it, brought it in, everything by herself.
She did. I hauled it on board for her, netted it and hauled it on board, but she did all. Yeah, she fought it all.
Check that out. Let's see if I can get. It's a beautiful fish. There we go. Alrighty. Go ahead.
This is an insurance office in Fallon. My friend owns this, and they've allowed me to use one wall in their office to display some of my work. And Lisa, thank you for selling my signs for me.
Can I get you on video?
No.
No? Oh, she's shy.
And then this is this open and closed sign.
You made that? That's
This
cool.
is
Wow, that's awesome. It's beautiful. And you did that with scroll saw?
these letters I cut out with a scroll saw.
Very nice.
And then
Very nice. Very nice.
and
Oh, she won't let me get her on camera, but she's bringing some more of Sandy's signs. So here we go. These are some of Sandy's signs.
good thing Vicky's not here, huh?
Those are great. Oh wow, that's cool. Look at that.
With the horseshoe base on it. That was Mike's idea.
Good idea, Mike. You're doing good.
Horses I did for something, I use shoes I would use them.
That looks great. I need one of those for my desk. Those are great. Great job. Gosh darn. So here's some more the Sandy signs.
I still like mine best.
You like yours the best?
Great job. Great job. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. Mike and Sandy are great people. There at the end you saw we were in it was actually an insurance office. Some friends of Sandy's put a display up there, and I thought that was such a good idea. And then Sandy made each of the sales agents a sign. I tried to get the sales agent on there. She wouldn't let me take a video of her. But anyway, we had a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you have any questions about it, you can email me at vickywooddavesigns@gmail.com or Eric at makeawoodsign.com. Anyway, we kind of hope to be doing more of those. That was fun. I got to visit my sister. I got to see Mike and Sandy's shop. They've got a great place over there. My gosh, they've got a beautiful place over there. So anyway, I think that's about it. Make sure you subscribe, first of all, to the YouTube channel. Eric's laughing at me. Be sure to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. No thumbs downs. Those are not cool. I don't like those. And share the video, and I guess that's about it. Oh, Eric's on Instagram too. It's Make a Wood Sign on Instagram. So anyway, that's it. It was fun. So you guys have a great weekend. Bye-bye.